The supply chain portal is the beginning of a journey of extending the Syspro ERP functionality to both customers and suppliers. Let's talk a little bit about the supplier side, or the inbound. In a requisition program, we now allow for a new functionality regarding approving a requisition for an RFQ or a request for quote, which implies that we would like suppliers to quote on supplying this particular product or service. The mechanism for that is the request for quote maintenance program. Once it is approved, it can be rolled into a proof RFQ. It can be rolled into the RFQ program. And the RFQ program allows us to assign potential suppliers for this particular product or service. These suppliers can then be notified via email that they are being requested to quote on this particular RFQ. Really what that means is the email will contain a link to an external portal, and they will then be able to access the Syspro supplier chain portal. And the supply chain portal gives them access into some areas here. Let's talk about the supplier for a moment. We will obviously give them access into responding to that RFQ, and they can then go and access the RFQ. They can see any notes that we have placed against the RFQ, or any attachments that we have linked to that particular RFQ, like technical specifications and drawings. And they can respond with their unit price, lead time, any of their notes and attachments. That's the one area in the RFQ, which is bidirectional communication with that particular supplier. They can also access their account information, so they can effectively run a supplier query. This will give them access into any invoices that we have received from them and the status of those invoices, any payments that we have made, as well as outstanding purchase orders that they are still needing to deliver, and if we have returned any goods to them. Interestingly, we can give them access into the items that they supply to us, and we can give them access into issues around quantity on hand, reorder points, min-max levels, as well as just looking at our consumption rate and the rate at which we're using these particular products. Then on the customer side, we can also look at giving customers access to the portal. In this demonstration, I've linked a customer and a supplier to this particular user, which would be fairly unlikely. But I've done that just to make the demonstration easier. We can now just dive straight into a customer query. Customers can get access to information returning to the status of their account, any invoices which we've sent through to them, and what the outstandings are on those. We can look at any historic payments, any outstanding sales orders, and we can even give them access to historic statements which they can effectively download. They can download invoices as well. The customer and supplier chain portals are a beginning point for Syspro to extend the functionality that's embedded in the normal ERP business processes and start extending those out into the supply chain, both inbound and outbound.